Jai Hind everyone. I am Cadet Anya Swami and today I am going to be covering the topic, the typical organization of a command. So in the last video we talked about कि हमारी 4 commands हैं in Navy. We talked about the Western Naval Command, Eastern Naval Command, Southern Naval Command and the Unified Command. Now in this video we are going to talk about कि उन command में, उस particular command में क्या क्या चलता है and who are the responsible people at the head positions. We are going to talk about that. First of all, at the head we have Commander-in-Chief, जिसके बारे में we talked about in last class also. And what rank is he supposed to be of? That is Vice Admiral. So now first of all, when you have become the Vice Admiral, you can become the Commander-in-Chief for any particular commands out of these 4 commands. And now what happens इनके under? Now first of all, जो Commander-in-Chief है, he cannot look at everything. जो भी आपके command में चल रहा है, commands are huge. So now he cannot look at everything कि हर जगह क्या चल रहा है, and again he cannot look after कि ये चीज़ हर चीज़ वहाँ पे appropriately हो रही है या नहीं. He can obviously go there and he can at regular intervals he can go there. But अब क्या होता है? We need in order for efficient working, हमें इनके अंदर we need responsible people who are looking at particular domains. कि उन एरिया में क्या हो रहा है, so that अगर हम एक एक करके एरियाज if we are able to perfect and अगर हम उनकी efficient working provide कर सकते हैं, then हमारी पूरी कमांड की efficient working हम promise कर सकते हैं. So now in a particular command, कोई भी command you can imagine, in that we have first in head position is Commander-in-Chief and under him we have 4 people, main people. इनके अंदर भी बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं who are working, but at head we have these 4 people. We have CSO Ops, that is Chief Security Officer for Operations. कि whatever, because we saw the Western Naval Command and Eastern Naval Command, that the operational command. So now this person, this Chief Security Officer is responsible for looking after कि training में operations जो हो रहे हैं, जो हम training operations भी कर रहे हैं, उसमें क्या क्या requirements हैं वो fulfill हो रही हैं, if everything is going according to plan, that he is responsible for. Next we have CSO TRG, that is training, the Chief Security Officer for training, that whatever training process is taking, the drills are taking place, so उसमें कोई problem है, then he can look after the efficient working if that is promised or not. Next we have CSO Tech, that is CSO, that is Chief Security Officer again for technology, कि जो भी require, because see, जो हमारा modern warfare है, especially the sea में we have the water warfare that is happening, that works on ships. ठीक है, and warships we have जिसमें we have very high tech technology. So there is a person, that is Chief Security Officer, who is looking at क्या क्या technology there is and if it is properly working और अगर उस पे proper maintenance हो रही है या नहीं, he is responsible for that. And then we have Chief Security Officer PNA, that is Personnel and Administration. हमने अपनी last class में also we saw that P and A, that is personnel क्या होता है, we talked about that. That is basically जो भी हमारे officers are getting recruited, जो भी people and the soldiers that are getting recruited into the Navy, they come under personnel. तो अब कोई भी command है उसमें कितने लोग होने चाहिए, क्या उतने हैं या नहीं. So this Chief Security Officer for Personnel and Administration is responsible for that. And administration, as simple as it is, कि जो भी वहाँ पे उस command में चल रहा है, the reports and everything, because everything needs to be sent to the central naval command. ठीक है, so we have to see if it is properly working or not. So that is taken look after by the CSO, that is CSO Chief Security Officer, Personnel and Administration. So that was the typical organization of a command, and I hope you were able to understand this. Again, if you have any queries, any questions, you can let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you and Jai Hind.